how to change language on Bilibili. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Bilibili app. If your app is stuck in a language you don't understand, or if you just want to switch to something more familiar, this guide is for you and it only takes a minute. So first, open up the Bilibili app on your phone. Once it loads, you're going to tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. That takes you to your personal profile section. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Settings option and tap on it. This is where all your customization options are. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option that says Language. Go ahead and tap that. And now you should see different languages. Pick the one you prefer, it's probably English. Once you select it, the app will automatically refresh and update to the language you picked. That's it, super simple. Now you can enjoy browsing the app in a language you're comfortable with. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick app tutorials. See you in the next one.